Nigeria ICT ecosystem contributing 16.66% to the GDP in the fourth quarter 2023 will get more boost as the country gears up to host Africa and the Middle East technology key players at GITEX in 2025. This was announced by GITEX Global during the recently concluded GITEX Africa's Digital Summit Morocco, where Nigeria signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with GITEX and the National Information Technology Development Agency of Nigeria (NITDA) to host Africa's largest digital and tech exhibition in September 2025. The MOU, which was signed by Mr. Kashifu Inuwa Abdullahi, Director General of the NITDA, and the CEO of CAUN, Mrs. Trixie Lomiman, organizer of GITEX globally, with the presence of Dr. Tunji Alausa, Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Reform of Nigeria, marks the launch of GITEX Nigeria. Wrapping up the 2024 tech exhibition, GITEX Global announced that GITEX Nigeria, with the National Information Technology Development Agency of Nigeria as strategic partner sponsor, shall present AI Everything, GITEX Future Finance, GITEX Health Tech 5, and North Star startups and scale-ups, exploring vast opportunities to the fullest while co-creating global partnerships, as well as accelerating the country's productivity through technology innovation. Dr. Tunji Alausa in a speech expressed gratitude, stating how this would avail a huge platform for Nigeria to showcase innovations globally.
Big day for Nigeria and big day for GITEX. Let's give them a round of applause. This is the future. If you don't use technology, adopt technology, you will die. But GITEX is at the forefront of this. GITEX Global, GITEX Africa, and GITEX.
Foreign investors look forward to the largest tech exhibition show in Africa as Nigeria prepared to host GITEX in September 2025.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.